Morning, good evening. How to balance our feminine and masculine energy, and is this an easy job? Maybe not, but I will try to give you some tips. This is Roubina Khodadin, artist, healer and spiritual guide. Welcome everybody to the channel. Welcome if you're new, welcome if you're returning as well. So as human beings, we are multifaceted, aren't we? We've all got different personalities, different aspirations, but generally we all aspire to some sort of balance, at least within us, and maybe balance also around us. So let's first briefly say what is feminine and what is masculine energy. I'll illustrate by two simple examples. If we're looking at the body of a man, the body of a woman, that are merging, uniting, you know what I mean, right? The man will do the action of going inside the body of the woman. So he's actually doing an action. He's actually looking for that space. The woman's body is actually welcoming that space, so it is in a receptive mode. Masculine energy, feminine energy. Let's take another example. When a baby is small, we cuddle it, we take care of it, and we maybe sing a little song or something. That's more, let's say, taking care and being soft is more a feminine energy. When the baby grows up and the toddler wants to throw a tantrum, sometimes we'll try to tell them off, and we will try to put some sort of limits around what they can do, what they can't do, which is a normal thing to do. That's more a masculine kind of way of being, the thing where you kind of go, no, enough is enough. No, I don't want this. No, I can't do that. Feminine, masculine energy. So how can we balance that within us? If we're seeking for balance, and if we're seeking anything within us, we need to look at the current state of affairs. We need to be very brutally honest with ourselves. So let's say you look at your day. In a normal day, right? Let's say Monday to Saturday, from morning till the time you go to bed, are you constantly doing something? No matter what, are you constantly doing something? Then possibly, I say possibly because it's never as clear-cut as that, but it's just to give you an example. Possibly, then you're so much active that you're more in this masculine energy. You need more time to rest, more time maybe to sit down, meditate, pray, sleep even. That's the balance with the body. Let's say you're somebody who has got emotions. We all have got emotions, right? We're human beings. But whenever you feel something, you try to distract yourself so you don't feel them. Means you're trying to distract, you're trying to run away and do something. Again, it's doing something instead of feeling something. Then you need to take more time to feel stuff. Third example, let's say you're very much into your imaginative world, very intuitive, which is amazing. But when it gets to doing the things that you've put down on paper that you need to do, you can't use your rational mind, for instance, to be able to get things done, which is a little bit my case, right? Sometimes. So this is more being in the kind of feminine, flowy thing, rather than being rational and looking at things even brutally and saying, yes, I'm supposed to be doing this, or I'm supposed not to do that. And let's stick to my guns. Let's stick to what I said I will do or I won't do. That means affirming myself and what I said I would do or would not do. This is how we balance ourselves out. This balance also exists in relationships, whether it's love relationships or other relationships. And for this part, I will talk about this in future videos. So make sure you, from now, if you're not subscribed, can you please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell and like the video as well. If you could, please, it does help me. So just do that now for a second, and then I'll keep going. Okay, so next thing is if you think of what I've just said, I've talked about action, I've talked about feeling, I've talked about rational mind, I've talked about body, heart and mind, right? Body, heart and mind. If we follow a spiritual path, no matter what kind of spiritual path, then usually mind, body and heart just links together. Remember I said mind, body and heart? I didn't say mind, body and soul, because the soul is an encompasses everything, and the soul is not about feminine or masculine, right? So mind, body and heart. If we follow our spiritual journey and we make sure we go along it while respecting the body, the heart and the mind, then this thing about feminine, masculine happens in a very organic way, believe me. Or don't believe me, at least try. There will be a link up there on how to start our spiritual journey. It's one of my first videos, so I'm definitely not so at ease when I'm talking in these videos, so you might forgive me I'm a bit stuck up in those videos. But do make sure you watch the series of video. Sometimes also it means sometimes we've got some unhealed wounds that makes this equilibrium and just equilibrium generally difficult. Then you can get in touch with me. The link in the description box to get in touch with me for a one-to-one session, and also for artwork, join me on Instagram. There's lots of artwork there. The link again is down there. But in the meantime, make sure you comment and leave me a little like. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.